Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 8 months old, adjusted down to a 7-month-old. And Ilya is working on his stomach skills still. On his stomach, he's having a little bit of a hard time reaching. And remember, he had a left torticollis, which means he wants to look to the right, tilt to the left. And these kids usually reach better with their right arm. So let's see what happens. Hi. I'm going to roll you over. Hi. Now, they do say he's rolling to get places, so one of the things I like to do is an arm check and start tapping each arm. Whoa. Hi. I got you. I got you. Hi. I need you back up. I see you're thinking about going to sleep. I can do an arm check, so I tap 10 times with each arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy as peasy. This would be the arm I think that he's probably better at. And let's see. So I can see that he really wants to weight shift this way. So it makes sense to me that he's going to reach better with his right arm. Let's try rocking this way and tapping with the other one. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one of the things I notice is when I tap this arm, I can tap the arm and the whole body doesn't go with him. When I go this way, this whole arm and shoulder are attached to each other, so we're getting the whole body. So they need to start in small ranges and then work toward bigger and stabilizing this trunk to be able to get this arm to be dissociated from the, oh heavens, to get dissociated from the shoulders. Hello. Sometimes I work on that laying on the back. So this arm goes up fairly easy, and this arm, look how it doesn't really want to go up as easily. So the same thing you can work laying on the back of going up and going, touchdown, touchdown. So really those shoulders and trunk are still really connected. So one of the things you need to look at with children who have developed a torticollis is to make sure those arms are starting to be really free from the trunk and shoulder so they can reach and play better on their stomach and on their back. Hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.